Well, whatever. Whatever, dude. How about? So anyways, kind of. We're in here. We're in here, Sebastian. Where did you get here? Well, let's. How about that? How about if we try something else? So. Okay, anyway, let's do it. Let me watch TV again as I did it. Huh? What's wrong? I can't hear it. So what? No, okay, do it. Okay, it's refreshing. So I could hear it?
What?
Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong with the TV's sound problem?
We got waiting for the Wi-Fi.
It's not gonna work, Sebastian.
Wi-Fi is here. Wi-Fi's here.
But I don't know. So, Sebastian, well,
And wasn't you?
I don't know. Why are you doing it? Daddy. Hey, Daddy, I'm gonna tell you something. Did you just turn off the TV sound?
No.
Well, but what's wrong with it? Show me what's wrong with the TV sound.
I don't know what's wrong.
Did it broke or something?
Maybe.
But please. Well, you.
Hey, I didn't even take a shower and you're making a video?
But I don't know. Something's wrong, Daddy. Something's wrong. I don't know.
The light stops when I press.
Daddy, can you come? What are you doing? If you don't... Hey, Daddy. Can you... What's wrong with it? I can't do it.
To get to the bathroom.
I don't know. What's wrong? Like it's something wrong. Let me press that button again. Let me refresh it. Why are you glitching in the TV? Or you have a phone or a... I don't know. I can't hear that anymore. I can't hear it. Oh well, so I don't know. It's I don't know. Why are you watching on that Nintendo Switch?